Hey everybody, Darlington Farm here. Well, as you can see behind me, the cow barn machine shop is getting really close. So all my rebar is in, I got my vapor barrier down, I've got crushed concrete below the vapor barrier there. It's been vibed. I guess in my last video you can see all that stuff. Poured the footer out here yesterday, didn't get any video of that just because it was not really a whole lot. Concrete truck pulled up, dumped concrete in a hole. That was pretty much it. Here's the footer right there. It's 7 yards of concrete. It's 32 inches deep, 24, 28 inches wide, something like that, and just the length of this. So when you get the frost freeze, the front of the floor doesn't heave. Yeah, pretty much just keeps the frozen ground from destroying the slab. We're gonna have a 6-inch slab in here, 6-inch-ish, a little deeper in places, a little shallower in places, but about 6 inches. And so this is 31 by 42, if I remember correctly, and it's gonna come out to about 30 yards of concrete because my footer over here on this side, the guy driving the concrete truck just pulled up to this side and dumped the whole load really before we could do much of anything. And so my footer's taller on this side than that side. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. So this building is a 14-foot door. It's like 15 and some change to the trusses. And I'm looking now at a spray foam machine. There's another guy in town here that's a contractor that we're maybe going in halvesies on a spray foam machine. So if I get that, we'll go ahead and spray foam the crap out of this building and learn how the machine works. And then maybe do a few more spray foaming jobs there, just kind of pay for it. Kind of wanting to do more local work. That's kind of my New Year's thing here is I have been spending so much time on the road doing stuff out that I'm just kind of getting burned out on it, and I want to try and get some more fabrication work here. That's kind of the goal of this building. I'm not sure what I'm going to move out here as far as machine tools go. But definitely have a product in mind here that hopefully before too long we actually get some of them produced and sold. And yeah, I'm looking forward to the new year. I hope everybody else has is having a good new year. It's gonna be spent working on this building and getting it usable for a shop. I got to do the electric behind me there right now. It just has a 60 amp line coming out here. So I got to upgrade that, and then I think I'm just going to get a shipping container and put out back. And I've got a 10-horse Ingersoll air compressor and a couple 40-horse motors that I think I'm going to build a big phase converter out of and stick that stuff in there, just so it's not in here taking up space and I don't have to listen to it. But all that stuff will come in due time after the floor here. So this was the biggest hurdle. Oh, and actually also lighting. I got a bunch of these stupid bright high bay lights because it's 15 foot to the trusses in here. So I got a bunch of high bay lights. They're like 250 watt a piece, and I think I got them for like 600 bucks off Amazon. So 8 lights out here. So it should be really nice and bright, and plan on making a lot of videos. So once this hurdle is over, should be a whole lot of videos coming your way. I'm actually excited to be making some content here. But just this was 2 days of me bending over, twist tying rebar together, so I don't think it was going to really make a whole super crazy interesting video. But yeah, so I'm excited. It's actually putting the skid steer and the excavator to good use, and yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Anyway, I'm Darlington Farm. Here's a little update on the goings on. Thank you for watching.